Today our topic is top 10 poorest countries in the world. Yes, today we are going to talk about poorest countries. Welcome to the Facts World. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Number 10. Mozambique. A former Portuguese colony, Mozambique, a country on the Indian Ocean in southern Africa. This country is still recovering from a 16-year civil war that began when it gained independence from Portugal in 1975 and ended in 1992. This country's estimated gross national income per capita is around $1,100 and life expectancy is 58.9 years. Number 9. Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone jumps from spot number 6 in 2018 to spot number 9 in the UN's 2019 HDI. Life expectancy has gone up from 52.2 years to 54.3 years. And the GNI has risen from $1,240 to $1,381 per person. An 11-year civil war that ended in 2002. Sierra Leone's maternal mortality rate of 1,360 deaths per 1,000 live births is the worst in the world. Number 8. Burkina Faso. In West Africa, Burkina Faso is a former French colony that has suffered increasing instability, conflict and coups ever since gaining independence in 1960. The country's GNI per capita is around $1,705 with a life expectancy of just over 61 years. Number 7. Eritrea. This is one of the youngest countries in the world. Eritrea won independence from neighboring Ethiopia in 1993. This country's GNI per capita $1,497 and life expectancy is 65.5 years. Number 6. Mali. Mali is the fourth largest country on the African continent. Like many poorest countries in the world, Mali's population is growing rapidly. This country's GNI per capita $1,965 and the life expectancy is 58.9 years. Now, number 5. Burundi. The Republic of Burundi has been in conflict consistently since gaining independence from Belgium in 1962. Country's GNI per capita is around $660 and life expectancy is 57.9 years. This country is one of the most dangerous places in the world to have a child, and the country's maternal mortality rate of 740 deaths per 100 live births is among the highest in the world. Okay, now number 4. South Sudan. The Republic of South Sudan gained independence in July 2011. But has experienced a long history of conflict, displacement, and deepening humanitarian needs. Life expectancy is just 57.3 years, and GNI per capita is $963. Now, number 3. Chad. Despite a wealth of valuable resources like gold and oil, Chad is one of the poorest countries in the world. Tensions between Muslim in north and Christian in South have been a drag on development. Government corruption is also hurting economic development and discouraging investment. Country's GNI per capita is $1,716 and average life expectancy is 54 years. Number 2. Central African Republic. The GNI per capita is around $777 and life expectancy is just 52.8 years. This is also world's hungriest country. In 2019, Global Hunger Index, the Central African Republic was the only country with hunger levels classified as extremely alarming. Now, number 1. Niger. Niger is topping the UN's Human Development Report as the world's poorest country. Niger's GNI per capita is $906 and life expectancy is 60.4 years. For several crises, agriculture have compounded into hunger and nutrition issues and have affected much of Nigerian population in the last 20 years.